today. Phyna don come out come announce another talk show wey be say she wan do, and some fans don come out come beg her to abort mission. And also Somgel, they don come out come celebrate their 6 months anniversary of their relationship. And lastly, Phyna also don come out for a recent podcast wey dey call Speak with Phyna to come talk about girls wey be say dey rent wig. According to her, it's a senseless move. So Somgel, their relationship click 6 months old today, and their fans don come out to come celebrate them massively over their relationship. And I remember say the relationship start for Big Brother Naija All Stars, and when two of them start the relationship, a lot of people not believe say the thing go work out. Most of them they thought say after the show, 2 weeks outside the house, the relationship will hit rock bottom, because according to them, they say Angel they aside, and so man no go fit handle a girl like Angel. But since two of them come out of the house, they don't really prove haters wrong, because according to the way they don't they live their life since, they just they love each other regardless of all the plenty bad negative comments wey be say they come wey surround their relationship. So this now the picture of the flyer wey be say they do. They say Somgel 6 months anniversary, may your love shine brighter and your companionship grow richer year after year. Happy anniversary. Another one can say they said it will end in BB house. They said Somgel won't last more than 2 weeks outside the house. My friend, Somgel is 6 months today. Somgel is 6 months. Webstars mount for Somgel. Somgel the blueprint. Even they say both of them they're very young, that ship they're very mature from what we don't see so far. If now some kind people, the kind things wey be say netizens talk about Angel for online, some kind people, some kind guys, they go don't dump the girl, move on with their life. But Suma no agree. Even the way people think insult Suma, say Suma na follow, he not get anything. I make him want hit by himself for that ship. The boy not listening. Two of them still choose each other regardless. So congratulations to the both of them. And they wish them many more years in their relationship. If you watch this video and you never subscribe, I beg try make you subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I drop video, you will get them instantly. Also help me share this video and drop your comments for the comment section below. Una, thank you. So for another episode of Speak with Phyna can come out, come and talk about people wey be say they pay installment to take buy wig. According to her, she say why we a normal person go they pay installment just to buy wig. Sometimes they go even they do a job, they go they gather a job, be like osusu. Now osusu they call her for my side, and they go they contribute money, they do contribution to save up to take buy wig. And say according to her, she not support that type of thing. Say it is better to rock your natural hair than to go they do a job to buy wig. Make una listen to what she talk for herself.
Why will you be paying for wig 10 times?
Hey, na lie.
Why will you be paying for wig 10 times? I feel you should get to a particular stage in life before you do some certain things.
Are you serious?
Yes. Rock your natural hair if that's the case.
Yeah.
Wear Darling Yankee 850k. That's who don't find. But the idea of girls doing a job to buy wig, I don't find it.
I would say that it depends on the stage of life the girl is in. If the girl is a young girl, like a teenager, or they come up, small girl, we just want to look good. She never gets sense or never get the needs to really kind of invest or buy land or do all those, up things. Then she can decide to look good. And if what she can afford is paying 10k for 10 times to buy that fine hair, we go make her look good, then maybe there's nothing wrong with this.
Well, I understand where she come from, but I don't think that's a very wise something to say, because it's not just about wig. There are so many things where we say people they buy. For instance, you move into a new apartment and you never furnish your apartment. Some people they pay an installment for the television, we see they won't buy. Some people they pay for other things. So it's applicable to wig. And if you have wig, you know they go to the salon every time to go they do braid, to go they do all this one. So people not even like to do all those braids, they prefer to wear wig. So if you know say you know if you do a low show work and you know fit carry AK-47 to go collect people money for where they keep them, it is better you save up and buy the necessary things where we say you won't buy. Not allow anybody put pressure on you. So make we see some fans reaction for this matter. So the first person can say, but this girl get money before Big Brother. Another one say the wig on her head need freedom. The last person here say, nah, he make you carry Darling Yankee for head. At least them no thief am or borrow am. Oyibo sef dey pay on installment for almost everything they owe. Everything this one go dey put hand where hand no reach. Paying in installment in whatever it is you want in your life is a very good move. Not allow anybody tell you otherwise. So the next person say, cause is this girl mentally sound? It's just like asking someone why you have a savings account. Even as a parent, you start grooming your children in the need to save up to get what they want. Another one say, why will you rent a wig for an event? The next one say, you all will come on social media and spew absolute trash. Let people do them. You annoy my being. Do everything. Do everyone have money? The last person say, how is this your business? Rest. The people that applaud this girl needs a head examination. Last everybody go dey alright. As for me, I will continue to dey save whatever it is wey be say I wan get for my life. I no fit go thief. I go save, I go pay in installment till I get am. So onto her new show wey be say she wan launch, she call the name Talk Phyna. This na very fine graphics. I like the way the design so fine. So she can't take to her Instagram page to come make the big announcement. So she say, unveiling another creative side of me, the one that has been in the works for a while now. I really had fun making this one, and I hope you enjoy it too. Talk will be dropping soon on all platforms. Anticipate. So as she make the statement, people come dey say this na very bad idea. They come dey beg her, say because you don't do a lot of businesses wey be say no work out. First of all, you come out, you just say you won't do ushering work. The ushering work, you never promote am once for your page. We don't know whether wetin dey happen to that one. Later, you come and say you won't do blogging. Say make people they go, you want to write blog. You write only one blog, you not write again. Another one, you come out, you say you won't be actress. You don't the act now. The next one, you just say you won't be skit maker. The skit making will not hear anything for you. You stop to the do skits. Later, you can't come up with another podcast where they call Junkyard. The Junkyard, the thing not green junk. You can't jump, enter speed with Phyna. Now you want enter talk Phyna. So they can't the beggar say she go good, make she abort mission for this particular one. So make we just see wetin they talk. So the first person say, abort mission, please. Yes, I love you, but please, doing podcast is not for you. You have done enough already. Think about yourself, your brand, and your future. Do you enjoy being dragged all the time or what? Don't you think your mental health and that of your future kids? I hope all these are worth it because it's getting out of hand. Instead of fixing, you are doing more damage. Another one say, what talk, Phyna? What does it mean, please? Is it another media to chase clout? Contact her at unusual Phyna. My dear, people they do different businesses to see the one wey be say go eventually work out for them. If she won't do all the business to take test the one wey be say go work out for her, who am I to talk bad about it? I wish her well, and I wish her I give her my own congratulations. So more grace to her elbows. Una take care, una bye.